Hello everyone, my name is Devashish Padi and today we'll start the second year subject, that is computer organization, and today's topic will be decimal to BCD encoder. So this is the ongoing lecture of your encoder. In the last two to three classes, we have already discussed about what is generally encoders, type of encoders, 2 to 4 encoder, 3 cross 8 encoder, and today we will discuss what is generally decimal to BCD encoder. Okay, so let us start today's class, that is known as decimal to BCD encoder. So in the decimal to BCD encoder, generally we have 10 input lines and 4 output lines. Okay, decimal means 10. So 10 input lines are present and 4 output lines are there. Each input line corresponds to each decimal digit and 4 output correspond to the BCD code. Why it is called as BCD code? Because BCD code consists of 4 bits. So generally 4 output lines are there. So we can say that this is known as decimal to BCD code. Okay, binary coded decimal. BCD stands for your binary coded decimal. This encoder accepts the decoded decimal data as an input and encodes it to the BCD output, which is available on the output lines. This 10 input line can be encoded and forms the 4 BCD output lines. And we have already know that in encoder at a time only one input is active. At a time only one input is high. Okay, so this is the block diagram of your decimal to BCD encoder. 10 input lines are there: Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6, Y7, Y8, Y9. These are known as my input lines, and according to BCD 4 output lines are there: A0, A1, A2, A3. So decimal to BCD encoder means 10 input lines, 4 output lines. And this is the truth table of your decimal to BCD encoder. Y9, Y8, Y7, Y6, Y5, Y4, Y3, Y2, Y1, Y0. These are known as my input symbol. And A3, A2, A1, A0, these are known as my output symbol. And we know that in encoder at a time only one input is high. One input is high means at a time only one input is 1. So here first Y0 is 1. Okay, so output is 0, 0, 0, 0, and all the other inputs are 0. In the second time Y1 is active, that means Y1 is 1 and all other inputs are 0. So since Y1 is active, the output is 1 and the output is 0001. And in the third case, Y2 is active. Y2 is active means Y2 is 1. Since Y2 is 1 and all other inputs are 0, since Y2 is 1, the output is 10. 0, 1, 0. In the next case, only Y3 is active. Since Y3 is active, output is 0, 111. 3 means decimal 11. In the next case, Y4 is active. Since Y4 is active and all other inputs are 0, the output is 100. Why it is 100? Because Y4 is active and decimal 4 means binary 100. Next, Y5 is active, Y5 is 1 and all other inputs are 0 and the output is 101. Why it is 101? Because Y5 is active. Y5 is 1 means 5 means decimal 101. Next, Y6 is active and all other inputs are 0. So output is 110 because the binary equivalent of 6 is 110. Next, Y7 is 1 and all other inputs are 0. Since Y7 is active, the output is 111 and we know that this binary equivalent of 7 is 111. And next, Y8 is 1 and all other inputs are 0. So the output is 1000. Since Y8 is active, the binary equivalent of 8 is 1000. And at last, Y9 is active and all other inputs are 0 and the output is 1001 and we know that the binary equivalent of 9 is 1001. So remember always, in case of encoders, always one input is active at a time and depending upon the input active line, output line is produced. Since Y1 is 1, output is 1, Y2 is 1, output is 10, like that. So depending upon the truth table, the expression of this decimal to BCD encoder is A3 is equal to Y9 plus Y8. See, A3 is 1 when Y8 is 1 and Y9 is 1. So A3 is nothing but my Y9 plus Y8. A2 is equal to Y7 plus Y6 plus Y5 plus Y4. So see, A2 means this is A2, Y4 is 1, A2 is 1, Y5 is 1, A2 is 1, Y6 is 1, A2 is 1, Y7 is 1. So A2 means Y7 plus Y6 plus Y5 plus Y4. Okay, Y7 plus Y6 plus Y5 plus Y4. A1 is equal to Y7 plus Y6 plus Y3 plus Y2. So see, A1 is 1 here. So when Y2 is 1, A1 is 1. When Y3 is 1, A1 is 1. And when Y6 is 1, A1 is 1. And when Y7 is 1, A1 is 1. So A1 is equal to Y7 plus Y6 plus Y3 plus Y2. And A0 is equal to Y9 plus Y7 plus Y5 plus Y3 plus Y1. So see, A0 means A0 is 1, so Y1 plus this is 1, so Y3. Okay. Next Y5, next Y7, and here it is 1, so Y9. So Y3 plus Y5 plus Y7 plus Y9 plus Y1. Okay. So by observing this logic expression, we will easily draw the circuit diagram. See, what is generally A3? A3 means Y9 plus Y8. So this is Y9, this is Y9, and this is Y8. And both these gate are combined with OR symbol. So this is the OR gate. And A2 is equal to, this is Y4, okay, and this is Y5, Y6, Y7, and this is the OR gate. A1 is equal to, see, A1 is equal to Y2, this is Y3, this is Y6, and this is Y7. This is the OR gate, A1. A0 is equal to Y9, Y7, Y5, Y3, and Y1. Okay. So if we draw the truth table and find out the logic expression, then circuit diagram is not very difficult for you. Okay, so this is all about your decimal to BCD encoder. Thank you.